Okay, so we're going to caulk and seal up a leaky, drafty window that are in a lot of these old houses. This one is an operator, so we'll put a caulking on that's easy to take off in the spring and make it operating again. And so we'll be caulking mainly the moving part of the window. The stationary part of the window is likely sealed better by itself, but you could put a small bead around them. So we'll be going around 3 sides of the window and in the cavity across the seam between the upper and the lower sash. And that would be the best thing. And then any other little spots that you think might need sealing. So there is a tendency to put caulking on and just put the caulking gun away from you and then pull it along, which does work. Usually you end up putting your finger in it and smoothing it out. A little more efficient method would be to actually start with the caulking gun closer to you and push it away. That pushes caulking into the cavity using a minimal amount, and you usually can get away with less smoothing it out with your finger. So I'll just do the same spot and we'll just run this along and just kind of feed the caulking gun along the crack with minimal excess caulking. Saves on caulking. Get a little bead in front of you, maybe just get rid of it. I just look for a little bit of caulking in front of the nozzle and keep pushing it in front without trying to make too much of a mess. And then again up the sides from the bottom to the top, filling the gap good, minimal caulking. There is air bubbles in the caulking tube sometime that splash out. Okay. In and around. In and around the top corners. Do this end as well. I'll just squeeze a little bit of that in there. Okay, fill the bottom. And then there's this gap between the upper and lower sash, and we'll just fill that across, get that caulking down in the crack. And I guess I'm going to get my finger in it a little bit more than I want to, but that cleans it up. Cleans it up a little bit. Sash, often the top sash is sealed with paint, but you might want to check it and see if there's any spots. Like this one, I'm gonna seal this bottom sash right up here close to the glass. It's a little messy, but we're gonna do it just to tighten it up for the winter.
Awesome.
Don't lick your finger. Okay, so that is a finished window. If you want to, you can check around the others. This window is sealed up good with paint, so it would just be a waste of caulking.